Auburn traffic, experimental 20 Mike Zulu is departing runway 36. Will depart the traffic pattern with a right turn to the northeast, Auburn. Reasonable climb, heading up towards 5,500 feet. I like to climb at about 109, 110 knots. I get better visibility out the front, and it's better for engine cooling. Alright, so 5,500 feet, and heading towards LaGrange over Lynette. The aircraft's on autopilot, it's leaned out, showing about 143 knots, true airspeed. Someday when I have time, I'm going to fly a square pattern and get that calibrated, but not anytime soon. The aircraft's leaned out, it's lean of peak, burning about 7.3, 7.4 gallons per hour fuel flow. We must have some headwind up here because we have a ground speed of 132 knots. Now flying westbound over West Point Lake. One or two boats on the lake. Alright, trying out a few different lens types here. So this is linear. I guess that means everything is going to be, straight lines are going to be straight lines. A much narrower field of view. Now this is the wide lens, so I'm guessing a wider field of view. And then this is the super view lens, so I'm guessing a super wide field of view. And then this is the horizon lock mode. I guess what that means is if I turn, the horizon is going to be level and the airplane is going to be shown turning. So let's have the autopilot do a little turn. We'll see how that works out in the video, or I can deactivate the autopilot and do a steeper turn. See how that shows up. Auburn traffic, experimental 20 Mike Zulu, short final runway 36, full stop Auburn. Auburn traffic, experimental 20 Mike Zulu is clear, runway 36 at Charlie, Auburn.